In the following diagram, the position of the needle is shown on the scale of a voltmeter. The least count of the voltmeter and the reading shown by it respectively are: options A. 0.15 V and 1.6 V, B. 0.05 V and 1.6 V, C. 0.15 V and 1.8 V, D. 0.05 V and 1.8 V. Here's how to analyze the figure, calculate the voltmeter reading, and determine the least count. Understanding voltmeters. Scale. Voltmeters have a scale with numbered divisions representing voltage. Needle. The needle indicates the voltage being measured. Least count. The smallest measurable voltage difference between two divisions. Analyzing the figure. Numbered divisions. Look closely at the divisions labeled 0 and 3 in the image. Smaller divisions. Notice that there are smaller divisions between the larger ones. Count how many there are. Needle position. Observe where the needle rests between the smaller divisions. Calculations. Least count. Divide the difference between the larger divisions by the number of smaller divisions. For example, if there are 20 smaller divisions between 0 and 3, least count equals 3 to 0, /20 is equal to 0.15 V voltage reading. Count. Determine how many smaller divisions the needle is past the previous numbered division, e.g., the needle might be past the second division after 1.5. Multiply this count by the least count. Add the product to the value of the previous numbered division. For example, if the needle is 2 divisions past 1.5, reading equals 1.5 plus 2 by 0.15 equals 1.8 V. Explanation. The correct option is C, 0.15 V and 1.8 V, if the following aligns with the image's analysis. The smaller divisions between the numbered divisions represent a value of 0.15 V. The needle rests 2 divisions past the 1.5 V mark. Important note. If the number of divisions or the needle's position is different in the diagram, the calculations will change.